Evening. So, for the first time in God knows how long, months and months and months, we managed to get back out to the desert tomorrow morning. We're going out to do a sunrise shoot at Al Khatim. So hopefully we'll get a nice sunrise shot, and then there's lots of other places to stop on the way back in on the tarmac there. And you can shoot from the road. So I like to sort of go out and do the main shot and then work my way back with the zoom lens, shooting from the road, and see what we can get. So anyway, we're ready to go. We've just packed the truck so we don't have to do it at 4:20 in the morning or whatever time it is we leave. And we'll head out to Al Khatim and we'll see you in the morning. Arrived in the Al Khatim desert, and the one thing I love about the gas tracks out here is they put you right in the dunes. This is our composition. So we're sat on the back of the tailgate here, the truck's tailgate, and I've got like a 20-meter walk to where we want to sit with the tripods for the composition. You can't get any closer than that. It's absolutely amazing, you know. It is progress, I suppose. They put a tarmac road through just, 300-400 meters down the road here. That's progress at the end of the day. There's all the little farms out here that got a service with trucks, so that can't be helped. But from a safety point of view, when you come to the desert by yourself, this is absolutely fantastic. This is a hard gas track here, and it runs for miles in that direction. If you wanted to go out into the dunes camping, you only got to go 10, 20 yards off the gas track with your vehicle, and you're in soft sand and secluded. So we're set up on a composition then. I've got this, my leading line is this dune, this S dune that I saw on Google Earth. It's coming out the bottom left hand corner of my image and leading us through. It's quite windy this morning actually. There's some sand coming off the top of the dune. I don't know if we'll be able to pick that out. So I'm running wide angle. I'm running about 14mm at the moment. I may swap to the telephoto after, and the zoom, sorry. I may put the 200mm and zoom on after, and see if we can pick that out. That might look quite nice actually. But anyway, for now, there's some clouds in the sky as well, which should light up shortly. We've got another 15 minutes, so I'm going to start shooting as the light starts to change, and then we'll see what we get out of this. So Elliot moved his composition to slightly over there. I've stuck with my original plan. The colours now in the sky are absolutely amazing. So obviously the sun's above the horizon slightly, but still below our dune level. Getting the shots off as quick as possible here. I'm bracketing everything and I'm focus stacking as well. So. And we've still got this sand coming off the top of the dune as well, which I'm hoping will do us a favour. I'm hoping it'll show up on the image because it's quite nice. Makes coming back to the desert worthwhile every single time. That effort of dragging my ass out of bed at 4 o'clock in the morning. This is where it pays off, because it is absolutely stunning. The temperature is actually fantastic out here. There's a breeze blowing. Considering we're on the 3rd week of July, it's a breeze blowing. It's about 33 degrees. The temperature is beautiful. This is actually camping weather, to be fair. Okay, as soon as that sun gets up, it'll go mad and the humidity will come. But at the moment, this is definitely camping weather. We're going to finish off with a coffee while the sun comes a bit higher in the sky. And then we'll wander back down the track. The tarmac is only about maybe 300, 400 metres away. And then it's a single track tarmac road back through the dunes. Now what I like to do here as we head back to the main highway is I'll put the zoom lens on. Well, I've got the zoom lens. Put the zoom lens on. And I'll keep it handheld. Never ceases to amaze me where the flies come from. It's like middle of the summer, it's windy, and as soon as we start, the flies appear. We had no flies while we were taking photos. Amazing. Coffee? Elliot doesn't do coffee. Ouch. And it's hot. Never guess I was an engineer at sea, dealing with steam. Okay, so we're going to head off back towards the tarmac now and see what handheld shots we can find with the... Okay, that's done. We finished up. Just heading back in Al Khatim now. We managed to get a few more shots on the way out there. I think they should be okay. Picking about some wins. Anyway, we've enjoyed that one. We're hopefully planning to go to Lewa next week and shoot some of the forts along the Lewa Crescent. So let's see if that develops. Depends how busy we are. Catch you real soon.